All right, guys, what's going on? We are live. Welcome back. It is Friday, Pizza Friday, of course, and a little bit of a late start today. It's already 3:30 p.m., so we don't have too much time before we have to get going and start. What's this? Like dive in and start making making some pizza for Pizza Friday. So what we're going to do, as in the title, as what the title states, is that we are going to launch our freemium version of Pixel Pieces. So I think we have pretty much everything ready to go. So we're going to do a review of all the things that we that I've done. Make sure everything is working. Everything's kind of on the up and up on the testing side, and yeah, and just kind of just publish it. And one thing that we do definitely need to do is we need to make a list of which components are going to go are going to be freemiums and which ones aren't, because that hasn't been kind of like decided yet or factored on, whatever. But we're just going to put some stuff in just for now, just for today. So anyways, so pretty excited. If you're new here, my name's Odum, and what we're doing is we live stream every Monday through Friday as we work towards building a company that we hope is going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. Not that we hope, that we're going to get there. We're just going to keep working on it. It might take a couple years, but we'll get there. And part of that is this Pixel Pieces, which is our Webflow template and component library. And we also have Pixel Media, which is our creative agency, which we kind of specialize in website design and development, and application development as well too. And I have some interesting thoughts of where we might head what direction we might head that company in. But anyways, but yeah, those are kind of the two fires in the pot right now. So, but always being wary of not to try to do too many things at once, and just to simplify things. Anyways, okay, so let's go in here. So here's the updates I made to the homepage. So if we go right now to Pixel Pieces, if you look at the homepage, build beautiful websites, and then explore components. And then that's it. And then also, if you hit this get started, it just takes you to the sign up page specifically, and where you got to pay for $249. So what we did, I think we were doing this yesterday, is we now have two different sign up pages. One sign up page for if you are going to join as a free member and join the freemium package. And then the other one is if you're going to pay for the $249 access. So what I've done is this get started button, instead of going to the actual checkout, because we need to know whether you want to go the freemium or whether you want to go paid, it's going to stick the users right to the pricing page. You can see right here, it's going to the pricing. So I updated the pricing page, and we have this here, which is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Get everything with one single payment, for life. Receive lifetime access to all components available now and in the future for a simple one-time price or one-time payment. Maybe one price or simple one-time price. I think it sounds good. So we have this forever free, which is $0, access to whatever. We'll figure out how many components this is going to be. And then all access, which is $249, and a one-time payment. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just update this right now, because we kind of know how many components that we actually have. So we'll just say 10 of them are going to be for free and 45 are the rest of them. Again, as we're going to build up lots of components over this weekend or even over the next week and get this number to between 100 and 120 or 30 or so. Right. And so then if someone clicks here for join for free access, they get to the forever free plan, which you can see here from this custom attribute here onto the side. Maybe I could make this a little bit bigger there so you guys can see that a little bit better, I hope. And then gut all access goes to the lifetime member. And of course, those are all controlled through the member stack plans here. We have the forever free plan, and then we have the lifetime component access plan. And this one's at the $249 price point. Okay. So right, that's so that's pretty much it in terms of the changes, I think. So I also was thinking about the changes here to this call to action, but I'm thinking of having it stay the same, where a user clicks on this and they just go specifically to get lifetime access for $249. So I kind of like that. and kind of sticking with that. So is there anything else that we need to consider? When a user goes to the component page, yeah, there's just a get lifetime access button. So this is, you're seeing this, you can just go straight to pay at $249. And then this one, of course, that's the get access. That takes you to the pricing page. So, but if you're perusing this and then you see something you like and then whatever you want to pay for it, you can go right ahead. And then also we could even see, well, let's go to the staging site actually. I'm logged in. So let's log out. If you view the components and you have this one that you like, this gets you straight again to the all access sign up. And so like if I go here, this will pay for $249. And this is because this one, or that component is actually a paid component, but if it's a free component, I think this blog one is a free component. So this is join to copy. This will just take you to the forever free plan. So I made the sign up pages. One's all access and one is forever free. I just kind of changed the names of them. This thing is really kind of annoying in terms of the padding here. I feel like does it need more padding on the top? That makes it look a little bit better. I think that looks fine. That's fine for now. Don't get too finicky with that. Okay, so do we need to do any testing? Any more testing? I mean, let's go. We can join to copy here. Again, we'll do, this is definitely a test mode. Now +3. I want to join free for forever. And then I'm in and I could see the dashboard, and I could still see I can copy some of them, and the other ones I need to upgrade. I can view all the components, and I could copy this one, Hero 1. Let's, oh, that's not what I wanted. I want this. Let's paste that here. Perfect. That is pasting just fine. So, yeah. The account page, I don't believe, gets set up here in the staging site, which is fine. And if I want to upgrade, I can upgrade here. There's my card. There we go. And then this is test, right? Yeah, test mode. Okay, pay. And then now I'm a full member and I could copy anything that I want. So something that was like this one, I can copy this guy and go here, hit paste. And there it is. Excellent. So I think it's working. So I think, I mean, let's just publish. Yeah, let's publish, but let's also turn on our flows as well. Something went wrong. We just need to turn it on. Oh, it doesn't know. This is subscribe to templates. Why are there two forms here? We'll have to fix that. So that one we could stage for publish, which is fine. This one we need to take a look at the templates page and see what this form is. Oh, it's called email form. It should just be that. So let's have a look. Back to the flows. Okay, that's the wrong form. Okay. But this one works. I really don't like running it through here. I want to run it through because it's not email form 2. Oh well. We'll fix that. I think I'm going to run them through Zapier. I don't like doing it this way. Or just putting it directly as you used to be able to do it when you put it as a post within the form submit. Okay, so right. So now I think we're ready to publish. What's the issue? Duplicate IDs, email form. So why are there two email forms on here? Where's the duplicate form? I don't know. Let's just ignore that warning for now, I guess. Okay. Let's just compare the new with the old. Okay. Explore components and get started. Goes to the pricing page. All access, forever free, frequently asked questions. Looking good. Get lifetime access. So let's try logging in here. Okay, so right. This account. So I don't have access to everything because, hang on, I just don't want to, let me put this here. I'm just going to hide that for a second because I need to go into members here. And yeah, this guy's an I'm an early adopter. Can I add? Oh, right. So if I want to add a plan, it's actually going to build them. So I think what we need to do I think there's a problem with an early adopter, I think, is considered a free plan or even a free trial. Yeah, it's just a free plan, and because it's a free plan, this early adopters, because it's a free plan, all the things that we have here for when you're looking at, let's go to the dashboard page. When you're looking to copy, if the freemium is off, it's not free plans. But of course, because the person is on a free plan, they don't see it. So how do we move someone from a free plan to a paid plan without actually having them to pay? Member stack. Move free plan to paid without paying. Yeah, this is how to give away a paid membership. That's kind of what we want. Lastly, if you don't want the subscription to appear in your Stripe dashboard, then I recommend a free plan on MemberStack. We might have to ask these guys a question. Customers can add or remove out members free plan in the dashboard. Yes, definitely know that. Here's the steps. I'm just going to play this video here. See what this one says.
Hello, so this video is how to change a member's paid plan without canceling it. So what you need to do is go to Payments inside of Stripe, Subscriptions, and select the subscription that you want to update. Now from here in the top right corner, there's the Actions button where you can update the subscription. Let me get rid of me here for a second. And what we need to do is we need to add the new plan in MemberStack, or from MemberStack, that we want this member to be on. In this case, I want to take them from the professional plan and put them on the advanced plan. So now that I've added the advanced plan, I'm going to remove the professional plan and then update the subscription. While I'm here, I can make any other updates to the duration or anything like that, but like that, I now have the advanced plan and I'm no longer on the professional plan. If I go into MemberStack, those changes will be updated there as well.
Okay, that's not helpful for what we want. So we can add a... So, and this is kind of what it is here. We want to add a paid plan. But the thing is, I don't want the user to actually have to pay for it, right? It's like giving away free full memberships, right? Giving away free paid plans.
How to add a paid plan to a member. So in the member stack dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and click on the member, and I'm going to go to plans and permissions, and I'm going to click add. Now you'll see a button here called want to add a paid plan. Now if this is missing in your UI, then that means that the member that you've selected doesn't have a Stripe customer.
I feel like
So
I've
for
watched
example,
this before.
If we click on this member right here and try to do the same, we can see that that button isn't available. Now the good news is that you can fix this by generating a customer for the member. So to do that, you can click on the three dots and click create Stripe customer, and this will force MemberStack to generate a Stripe customer and associate it with that member for you. Now to add the paid plan, you'll want to click on this button, want to add a paid plan, and this will take you directly to the Stripe dashboard UI where you're able to do that. Now in this case, I'm going to go ahead and add a premium plan to this member. And one thing to keep in mind is that whatever plan and price you select here needs to also be in MemberStack. So for example, I'm adding premium that costs $99 a month. And if I go to my MemberStack account, we can see that I have that premium plan with that $99 a month option. If I did not have this option, or if I did not have that plan in MemberStack, then the first thing that you'll want to do is import in that product to MemberStack. So on the plans page, if you click the three dots, you can click import via Stripe. And for example, say I wanted to add this product to a member. Well, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to that product, copy the product ID, and then you can paste that product ID right here, and MemberStack will import that plan in for you. Now, you only need to do that if the plan that you're wanting to add to the member isn't already in MemberStack. Otherwise, you don't need to do that. So in this example, I want to add this premium plan to this member. I'm going to go ahead and opt for emailing the invoice to the customer to pay manually. MemberStack will respect any of these settings, so you can add tax.
So hang on, what does that say? Email invoice to the customer to pay manually. Set your payment preferences and we'll take care of the rest. And then can you just mark it as paid? And then not go through Stripe at all?
Taxes, you can add coupons, you can manipulate the start and end date, change the billing cycle, add a free trial, anything you do here, MemberStack will respect. So I'm going to go ahead and click start test subscription, and we can see that now this member, or this customer Stripe, now has that premium paid plan. And if I go back to MemberStack, we can see that that member just also got the premium plan.
So I wonder then if we can, okay, I'll go into MemberStack here again. So hang on, I'm gonna go to a member. And my early adopter, add a plan in Stripe. Okay. So here we are in Stripe. So here's my customer. So find a product. It's the lifetime component access. I got to delete all these other ones. What are these old things? Oh, I got lots of stuff going on in here. But this lifetime component access is $249. It's a one-time. I mean, can we give a free trial for forever? Like this says, what's the most numbers I can get? Oh, 720 days. Looks like it's the most, which is like 2 years. Like so email this, say no link. Yeah, because I definitely don't want to email them anything. Oh. I mean, can we edit this down to 0? if we edit this to 0, is it going to change the price of the product? I don't even want to send an invoice here, but invoice template, advanced description. Let's just say you've just received a lifetime all access subscription to Pixel Pieces. I guess we'll try this because this is on my actual account, because I can look right now when I log into Pixel Pieces, my account here is on the free. Like I can't even copy this one. I have to upgrade, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hit create subscription here. I'm just going to hide it because I don't know what it's going to show. And it won't let me. So it says, please add at least one recurring price to create this subscription. So that's annoying. That's really annoying. Okay. How could we maybe get around this? So, whoops, I don't want to show that. Sorry, here we go. Cancel this. Plans. Okay. So the problem is lifetime access members. So this here is anybody who's on a free plan. If you're not on a free plan, can we set it so that instead of filtering out by if you're on a free plan or not, but filtering out on a specific plan? So member stack, show if on a specific plan. Looks like I already searched for this before. Conditional visibility. Members. We don't recommend using this feature for hiding extremely sensitive information. Yeah, no kidding. Oh, but now we're going to have an issue because we have multiple content IDs. And I think you can only have one data MS content. View documentation here. Oh, is that going? No plans. Free plans. A paid plan. I think this is such a crazy use case. So say gift a paid plan. Yeah, handle abandoned checkouts. Yeah, that's not a question or an answer. Maybe this one here. Custom code limit. Wish list. Gift a membership. I'm happy to report that I just finished a tutorial which explains how to accomplish this. It's member script number 68 and requires a make.com account. Make.com account, which I do have. Yeah, this is more like gifting, which I get, but it's still kind of a little bit different in what I'm trying to do. Okay, you know what? This is a little bit into the weeds. We have things working. So if you are right now on if you're on the early adopters plan, you'll have access, but only as a freemium access, not as a paid plan. If you need access to components, just send me an email and we'll either do something like, I don't even know what we do. Just create a plan that's like $1 or something like that. I don't know. And just charge like $1 to sign up to get into a paid plan. I don't know. I'm going to contact MemberStack to see if there's anything that I can do to fix this and to have some kind of solution to that. Which is really, really annoying. Unless there is an attribute for the plan type. Data MS plan. Yeah. Okay. We're not. Okay. We'll deal with this later. Okay. What do we need to do now? We need to figure out which components are going to be freemium and which ones aren't going to be. Okay. So we have our accordion. Let's make that one free. Let's make most of them free for now. I think. Okay, let's sort this by name. Can we sort this by name? So accordion. Yes, you are free. Benefits. Let's make all the ones that just have one. Well, actually, I don't know. Benefits. Yeah. Why not? Okay, so that's free. The different blogs. I have the first one as free. Yeah, I think we can keep that as free. Call to action 1. Which one do we want to have free? Again, I think we'll have the 1 free because you can make all the other ones if you have this one. That's freemium. Footer. which one here should be free? I'm thinking this one, which is probably one of the more complex ones. Or maybe should we do this one? 4, which kind of has everything. I think 4 would be kind of nice. Or even 2. Let's go with 4. If you guys think of any of these that you'd want to see as a freemium as opposed to a paid one, let me know. Hero sections, heroes. Did I only have 4? I got a whole lot more to build from these ones this weekend. We got hero 1 and maybe let's say hero 4. Oh, I didn't name this hero 4 yet. Well, let's do that right now. Hero 4, freemium. Hero 4. Save that. And let's go, I guess, to our whole components. Whoops. Need to go here. This is hero 4. Save. And collection. Hero 4. Save. Great. Okay. So navigation basic 1 and custom 1 is what I had free. Let's see. Let's have a quick look here. So this one's free. This one's free. I think maybe we can make minimal 1 free. Yeah, because basic and custom are pretty much the same thing. You can also maybe make 4 free. 4 and minimal 1. Yeah, let's go with that. And minimal 1. So how many is that are free now? Quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 free. Pricing, yeah, I think just the first one is good to have that as a free one. Review is already free. Subscribe form is not. Team page is. Testimonial is not. Testimonial and subscribe form. And subscribe form. Okay, so let's go to our pricing page. And let's say, I'm just going to say 15. Well, do I want to say 17? Let's go with 20 and let's keep it at 20 and let's pick like let's actually get 20. Okay, so let's go by name. That's freemium. Benefits is freemium. Contact form. This should be a freemium because there's just one of those. Product review, yes, yes. Team testimonials, yes. So we can make another team page freemium. That's fine. And maybe another footer. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Oh, that's not all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. So we're at 20. Okay, we publish that. All right. And if we go here, let's refresh this and go back to all components. We can see that we have a lot more here that we can actually copy. Copy these ones, copy these ones, copy, 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 copy. All right. So we're looking good. Yeah, and if I do want to upgrade, it's still gonna, yeah, it's gonna make me want to pay. Add a promotional code. That could be something. Can we add promotional codes here? Hang on. Let me jump into Stripe here real quick. Sorry, dashboard. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, where are my products? Here we go. Okay, so I have my product here, lifetime component access. Can I make a coupon code? Or where do I go for coupon codes? Is there in here settings? No, that's probably like account settings. Add another price, create payment link. No. Stripe, create coupon code. Open products and then click coupons. Well, I had that. Here's the products. Maybe I gotta go back. Hang on. So let me. Oh, okay. There we go. Coupons. Okay. So now we're on coupons. Can I create a coupon? Can I do 100% off? Apply to a specific product. This is lifetime. Duration forever. And then I could limit the total number of times this coupon can be redeemed. Not customer facing. And then, yeah, I guess I'll just create it. Percentage discount, yeah, 100. And then the ID will be created. Or entire customer accounts. Apply to specific product to this one. Duration forever. One-off invoices accept both once and forever. Yeah. Okay. This limit applies across customers, so it won't prevent a single customer from redeeming multiple times. It doesn't really matter. What is the customer facing coupon code? Eligible for first time order only. No. But that's cool. Then I could just make the coupon code whatever the case may be, and then email off to all the free people and then have them enter the coupon codes. Yeah, that's actually really good. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to try to see if that can work. And yeah, I just go for there. So at least maybe gives me an opportunity to reach out to the early adopters as well, and give them something to say thank you, for being an early adopter. So we'll do that. So I think that solves all of our problems, and I think we're basically good to go now, because now the only way that you can access Pixel Pieces is either you come in as get access. Either you come in as a forever free person, or you have all access. Right. But yeah, we definitely need to up this number because it looks a little bit low, on the low side. Yep. So we're looking good. Once all our components are done, there's things that we can do within the application to make it a little bit better in terms of filtering out for free versus not free ones or what have you. I don't know if that's really important, but we're really going to be needing to get into the marketing game. So yeah, it's really good. All right. So we're live. So that's cool. If you want to join, you can just join for free and you just have access forever. So I definitely appreciate anybody. If you guys want to just jump in, have a look around, and do some testing. I could always love to see how this thing works for everyone. And yeah, that's about it for today. That's about it for this week. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I'm super pumped. We're like kind of live now. This is it. I actually kind of impressed that we got this done in just kind of this 1 week. We kind of made the decision to do it like on Tuesday, and then now we're done. We're live with it. So that's really cool. I like that that speed of access and that ability to launch and ship pretty quickly. So that's good. So we're just gonna have to keep up the pace and keep going and keep building this company until we make that $1 million mark, which is I don't know. I have a feeling it's gonna come. I don't want to say sooner rather than later, because I still think it's going to take a long time, but I think it'll get here. I'm feeling pretty good. So anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Much appreciated. Everyone who subscribes and likes and comments and all that fun stuff. Thank you so much. And have yourself a fantastic weekend. And we'll see you back here on Monday for another live stream.